Matambok, matambok.
Say hi, baby boy.
Hi, vlog.
Hi guys! Punta tayo ng Davao ngayon. In this video, we're going to Davao.
Huwag sa Davao dong.
We're going to Samal Island and swim. Like...
Say bye.
See you there in Samal Island. We're gonna swim there a lot.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight.
Travelers.
What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate.
Say hi sa video.
Hi video.
Great, think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night.
Hello guys, nandito sa Seagull Ron. Seagull. Hi. Sit. Ay, sa stilipi pa the baby.
I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy.
We're going to Davao, to Samal. Asleep. Sisi.
Hi. Are you hungry?
Kape muna tayo dito guys sa Seagull. Kape. Swim. Wow, Sisi likes the Milo. Hot coffee there.
Some hot sauce.
Hot sauce. Hot soy sauce. Hot sugar.
Ako. Hot babes.
Biba hot bibs.
Yucky.
Bubu kang bulak. Kain muna tayo ng breakfast guys. Breakfast. Yeah. Breakfast. Ang gutom.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. We're going to
Davao. We're going to Davao.
to Samal Island.
Magligo yung beach.
Ligo tayo ng beach guys.
I'm trying to help my friend Brian.
We're going to Samal Island guys. This is our first stop, Seagull.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
Hi guys, we're here at Davao City and now we're going to Davsam Port, no? This is our driver. So anong masasabi mo?
Ang masasabi ko lang is nandito na tayo sa Davao. Yeah. Ganyan.
Ice cream. Din chill.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place.
At Davsam Ferry Port. Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah. Even my friend ice cream with me.
Wow. Papa's excited.
And now
Tulita pa na
sus fast.
Guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa Davsam Ferry Terminal.
Terminal!
That's the ticket booth guys, the cashier.
We're gonna pay!
Okay, miss.
Tulo ka adult, isa ka bata.
Upat talan. One way lang. Salamat.
Pila ma? 280 for 4 person and a car.
Punta ng ferry guys, sasakay na tayo guys. Sa
Yeah.
Kung makakasakasay, sakasakay.
Kumasaksak.
Kung makakasakasakay tayo.
Kung makakasakay.
So lilinya tayo dito guys. Ito yung linya.
Lilinya.
Magkuha ko ng grid. Kala, grid.
Sisij, ahoy! Hello, you bully me.
Sids, I think that is our boat. Guys, andito na tayo sa Davsam Terminal guys. Guys. At sasakay na tayo ng ferry. Fairy tale.
Yay! We're gonna sakay na!
Riding na the barge. Tara lang. So, bababa muna tayo guys para maka-sightseeing tayo sa view. The sea view. The sea view. Lalarga na tayo guys. Yun, tunaog. Kami, hold up. Hi. We're going to Samal Island. We're going to Samal Island. Samal Island. Samal Island guys. Hi. Enjoying.
Don't be afraid. Down, down. Down. Don't be afraid. Down, down. Down, down. Run just to me. I run just to myself. I let you down, down. Run just to me. I run just to.
Be, salita ka naman dyan, Be.
So, ngayon, matabok. Matabok. Hindi matabok.
Matambok. Matambok.
Matawid na kami ng Samal.
Palangoy, siguro palangoy na kami ng Samal.
Sumakay kami ng barge.
Chill lang, chill lang. Mama's chilling lang there.
So guys, we're here at Babak Port. So as you can see there. There.
Bababa na tayo ng ano guys, barge. Bababa na tayo ng bababa.
Guys, we're here traveling on Wednesday. Kaya,
Let's go.
it's Mingaw.
It's so
It's
Mingaw.
Wednesday, July 10. That's why it's Mingaw.
Yeah.
Alam niyo na silang ligo.
Magti-tripping tayo ng tripping ng ano, ng dagat. Yan. Dito na tayo. Nandito na tayo.
Mong driver, nga sweet lover, usahay vlogger. Sage, pag ikaw magkanta na, it's kinda cute. Pero si Papa, luod.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation.
Yeah! So good! O, din na itong background do.
Magla-lunch muna tayo guys. Dito tayo magla-lunch sa Aznebo. Aznebo. Kasi maraming sabaw dun. Masarap. Dito tayo kakain guys. Kasi masarap dito mga ano nila guys. Mga sudan. Mga sudan.
100 doesn't actually exist.
Si dito, Aznebo. Masarap dito guys.
Your bum.
Kain muna tayo dito sa Aznebo guys.
Let's eat, guys!
Let's eat, let's eat. Kakatabok lang natin sa babak. Kakatabok. Kain tayo dito guys, oh. Aznebo. Aznebo. Sarap dito guys. Tingnan nyo guys, mga ulam nila. Sit down with mama here, sit yo. Other side.
Aircon.
Taray lang menu guys. Minus.
Okay, sorry.
Menu.
You're gonna go first.
Menu. Ah, pa-cute ang gigoto mo. Pa-cute da yun.
Alam mo na siya.
Kiting kaon naman.
Pakit na yun, tingkaon naman. Aznebo
guys. Guys, meron silang grill. Meron silang vegetables. Congee. Combo. Dessert.
So guys, it's lunchtime. And we're waiting for our food. Busog. What food man imo like? The crispy.
Chicken.
Busog.
Ay, busog. Busog Aznebo.
Food satisfy, guys. We are so busog. After eating.
Punta na tayo ng Villa Amparo. Amparo.
Hey, give me another
Guys,
video.
oh, sisi sulga. Namo kay alok tanan ako alok pa.
Where are we going ganito? Villa Amparo. Let's